Customers first, incredible quality, and affordable to all. At CVF Racing, we've been guided by those three principles since we first started doing business in 2009. And they've enabled us to become what is today the fastest growing provider of premium brackets, pulleys, and engine accessories, and one of the world's most complete selections of serpentine and V-belt kits, all of which are backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty and the best-in-class customer service. What's the difference between the Wraptor Serpentine systems and others on the market? Other than the obvious benefit of looking cool, there are many functional advantages. Raptor systems use a 5/8 inch thick bracket in strategically placed mounting locations to minimize the torsional load placed on the bracket and accessories. The benefit of this is that there's no need for rear support brackets, which makes installation much easier and faster. This also means that the Raptor system will work across multiple variations within an engine family. For example, the same system works on a small block Chevy with standard, Vortec, or Fuelie Camel hump heads, or on a big block Chevy with either standard or tall decks. Even Ford Cleaver or Boss 302 engines. Yes, it's that versatile. When compared against a traditional V-belt or 6-rib serpentine belt, our Raptor's 8-rib belt gives you a tremendous increase in grip, which is important in today's high horsepower engines. A spring-loaded tensioner reacts to RPM changes for reduced stress on bearings and seals. The 2 extra grooves improve tracking, and the extra width adds strength for less stretching and longer belt life. In addition to the compact design and capability of the Raptor system, there's also the versatility of options and ease of upgrades. We offer options like variable valve timing for LS motors, high amp alternators, and Hydro Boost brake systems. And with our AC delete option, upgrading to AC later is as simple as adding the compressor, not revamping the whole drive system. And aside from the already stylish lines of brackets and pulleys, these systems are available in all 4 of our attractive finishes, including polished aluminum, C3 ceramic clear coat, stealth black anodized, and black diamond. At CVF Racing, we pride ourselves on delivering customer service that is nothing short of legendary. If you ever have an issue with one of our products, we'll bend over backwards to make sure that you're satisfied.